Welcome back to Vapor Cycles for the second Sunday sync. Big news from last update, version 2 frame was completed and assembled into a bicycle. Germany got a surprise drop in temperature the day after the bike was assembled and everything is covered in snow, but I managed to get out for as many rides as possible. How to describe the feel of this 800 gram frame? Well, I'm sure we're all familiar with balancing the body weight as some kind of an inertial dampener. While it's always the case with side-to-side motion, with this bike the experience is in every dimension. With most of the weight being in the rear hub, the direction changes are crazy as the rest of the bike pivots around the rear wheel. The weight accelerates from underneath you when you push the pedals, and of course the weight adapts to the road surface changes. For my kind of aggressive urban riding style, this has been a revelation. As I mentioned in the Instagram discussion, there is some flex across the main triangle when pushing on the leverage points. I don't feel insecure riding it, but I think for some use cases like the trick riding I have seen here in Berlin that really pushes the frame in non-riding ways, it might be more of an issue, so I decided to address it in an updated design. Which brings me to version 2.1. New, wider and thicker tubes I already ordered from my supplier, Carbo. Also a host of other parts are on the way. The plan is still to have this refined bike frame and one more bike ready for Velo Berlin bike show, which is happening this May. Notable differences from version 2 to version 2.1 is new tubing, stiffer design across the triangle, wider bottom bracket, and with that, a space for 1.35 inch diameter tires. Assuming everything goes well, I'm planning to do a couple of beta frame builds at cost price, so if anyone's interested in being the first owner of a Vapor Cycles frame, drop me a message for details. In other non-bike frame related news, I have the mold ready for the test sample of the chopped fiber process demonstrated in the previous video. Should be done and sent out to Nicholas shortly. And on the video news, I will be casting some silicone handle grips this week, as always using 3D printed molds, with a video to follow. So until then, have a great couple of weeks everyone, and see you next time.